Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is part 3 of 5 where I talk about my top software choices for helping you set up your accounting and bookkeeping processes and procedures. Today's video is all about organizing your documents, and my software choice is Evernote. I have been using Evernote for years and years and I absolutely love it. And here are the top 4 reasons why I choose Evernote. Reason 1, it's incredibly versatile. For as many ways as there are to organize documents, there are options in Evernote. You can tag documents with multiple keywords. You can file documents into folders. You can create subfolders, and you can combine those options. That's just the beginning of all the options there are to file your documents. You can have multiple people with multiple styles in the same system because of the versatility. As long as you know 1 or 2 keywords, you can search for documents really easy. You're not going to get stuck in the problem of finding a really great place to store a document and then never being able to find it again because of all the options available. Reason 2, accessibility. There are so many ways you can access your Evernote account. You can download a desktop app, you can download the app on your phone, and you can log in online. You don't even need to be near your computer to access your account. You can get all the documents you need very easily. It's such a modern way to store your documents and have access. You can even add users to your account so they can access the information they need when they need it. Reason 3, usability. There are multiple ways to get the information you need into Evernote. You can email it directly with it tagged Entitled. You can upload from your desktop, and you can even upload from your phone. Because it's so adaptable and flexible, if you have a backlog of information you want to store, it really becomes seamless and efficient. And the last reason, reason 4, is that it's user-friendly. You don't need a lot of experience with computers or even organizing to effectively use Evernote. Because of the simple layout and a really well-developed help module, it makes for a shorter learning curve and effective use. Thank you so much for watching another video, and I'll see you in the next one.